All right, good afternoon, everybody. This is Dre with Grind Major Day Trading, and I'm grateful that you are checking out today's recap. If this is your first time checking me out, I am a self-taught day trader, and my specialty is out of the money or low risk spread contracts. And my goal is to help as many of you traders become consistently profitable using as little of your own capital as possible. So, with that being said, as always, I'd like to let you know that if you go over to grindmajordaytrading.com, you can get subscribed to receive my access to my trade plan, which includes 9 hours of live coaching to assist you with that. You can subscribe to that. You can you can become an affiliate through the site as well. You can go shopping at the apparel store, which is also at grindmajordaytrading.com. And if you go over to Instagram, which is GM_day trading, or Facebook, which is Grind Major Day Trading and Education, you actually can take advantage of a phenomenal phenomenal opportunity that's going on right now, where you can get access to all of my training material that shows you what I do day to day, my PDFs, my files, everything I use to train individuals on how I trade spreads every day, consistently using the out of the money spreads. That entire system, you can get access to that for $200, and it's lifetime access. It's not going to expire on you, and you can study it and learn my process and implement it. Hopefully, is what I want to see. I want to see you implement it. So again, it's 90% off what I normally charge. I'm doing that because I want to make it accessible to as many people as possible. This offer will be gone on Sunday. So it's been available for about a week and a half now. Maybe this, I believe, is the second week. So this is the end of the second week. I can't stress it enough. It's $200, man. You can blow that at a club or really doing not too much of nothing, or you can invest it in learning something and getting some solid information that's easy to understand, to where you can learn how to, trade the market using low risk positions consistently for higher profit. That is a skill. I mean, come on, we're talking about making money, people. This is a skill that you got to have. So go ahead and take advantage of that. The link is in the profile, either on Instagram or on Facebook. So, take advantage of that. So anyway, diving into today, it's Friday. Hopefully everybody had a productive and a profitable day today. Just to let you know what I did, I took a long position, and what I let everyone know yesterday is that we would be in good position to go long if we got price holding above that 2790 level. And if we got price holding above that, we should see 2800 and resistance at the 2825 to 2830 level. And if we were going to be going short, we also had a price gap at 2840 to 50 pretty much. I believe it's 41 to 52 if I'm not mistaken, but it's a significant gap that we were going to be filling if we were able to get above that 2800 level. Now, we were going to go short if we got price holding below that 2788 level, and we should find some support around the 2765 level. And if we get below that, we should find price trying to fill the gap around the 2751 to 55 level. Now, that is very important, because if you came into the market late and you missed the move to the downside, the end of that short plan is very important if you know what you're reading. So you're going to find that we filled that price gap right here at today's low. So again, this is what I'm always telling you about history repeating itself, and being aware of the time of day that you're trading, being aware of the levels that you are going to find support and resistance, and being aware of price gaps. These are just a few things that I teach you how to utilize to your benefit at Grind Major Day Trading. But to keep this recap as short as possible, basically, we just let price, since we missed the move to the downside, we allowed for price to come down. We waited to see if we were going to find our low for the day. And normally I would not buy a market that's going down, but for today, it's Friday. They've been ranging really tightly. Again, this also goes into knowing the instrument that you're trading, because of how the S&P 500 usually behaves, if you want to use that word. I had a very good indication that they were going to want to try to trap individuals again and hold them over the weekend like they did last week. And that's exactly what they are currently doing. We're looking at a 5-minute chart so you can see the detail inside the position. And again, we place our trades on Nadex. We use TOS for their charts because I love their charts. So we got our buy entry on a daily position. We got an entry risk at $59 per contract, and we got that entry at 9:56 this morning, just around 10 o'clock this morning, around 30 minutes after the market opened. We got in at the low. Why did we want to get in at this particular low? Because in the plan, I said that we would go down and try to fill a price gap, and lo and behold, the price gap, and I'm going to post this on Instagram. I said this at 7:40 p.m. yesterday, that we'd fill a price gap from 27.51 to 55. Today's low is 27.51. All right. I'm telling you, people, you want to learn how to do this. Okay. So we filled our gap, and it was at a point in the morning where we will usually either get price continuing in one direction or going the other way. Because they've been trapping, I was looking for price to go the other way. And that's exactly what it did. And since it did do that, I already was aware that we had a target to the upside at the 27.75 level. If you go back to the recaps from earlier this week, you know that this is the level we were trying to get down to. Now that we've gotten below it, we're trying to get back above it. And they're trying to do that to trap individuals and hold them over the weekend. And that's exactly what they've done. So if you were a buyer or a seller at this point, you are probably looking pretty bad, because the market really hasn't gone too much of anywhere. Okay, so hopefully you all have gotten out of your positions in profit. Our $59 position, we got our exit about an hour and a half after, around 11:27 to be exact. We'll just round it to 11:30, but we got our exit price at $100 per contract. That results in a profit of $41 each. And that position took us about an hour and a half, and we're done for the day. So again, you're looking at a live chart right now. You can see the candlesticks moving. Looks like we're trying to get a very short term, a little bit of a push to the downside. So thankfully, we're not dealing with any of this price action, and we're on with our weekend. So again, go over to grindmajordaytrading.com, go shopping in the apparel store. Get subscribed to receive access to this trade plan and every other trade plan every day, monthly, plus 9 hours of live coaching to help you with that. Please take advantage of the $200 one-time promotion where you get access to all of my training material, to where you can get yourself to a point of being consistently profitable. You'll have access to all of my material. This is a value of about $2,000, over $2,000, because I'm also including 3 master classes. So it's over $2,000 worth of material. You're going to get it for $200. And this, again, the opportunity will be going on Sunday. So go over to Instagram, GM_day trading, or Facebook, Grind Major Day Trading and Education, and take advantage of that. And until the next time, I will see you all later, or speak with you all later. And you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Peace.